Sziasztok! Hi everyone! Do you have some difficulties with the pronunciation of the Hungarian A and Á sounds? Let's check out the differences. Here you go, the symbol of the Hungarian A sound. And here you are, the IPA symbol of the Hungarian A sound. You can find the Hungarian A sound here in the Hungarian vowel system. And as you can see, this is always a short sound. Yeah, I pronounced it in a long way, A, but this is just a name for this sound and also for the letter what symbolizes this sound in the Hungarian alphabet. This is the first letter of the Hungarian alphabet, so its name is A and it is pronounced long, but the sound itself is a short sound. O, O, O. There is another word where Hungarians use this long O sound. Instead of orra, they say ora, ora. Not orra, but ora. How can you produce this sound? Just try to go down from the O to the A and you can find the A in between. Follow me. O. Did you hear it? Check out again. O. Okay, and now we just have to stop at the O sound. O. And that's it. You just have to make it shorter. O. 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 While the O is always short, the A is always long in Hungarian. Of course, Hungarians can pronounce a short A sound in some foreign words like hello, ha, ha, ha. It's a short variant, but Hungarian words does not contain a short A sound, just a long A sound. You can produce this sound easily if you think that you are at the dentist and your dentist says you that please open your mouth and say ah. That's it. This is the Hungarian long ah sound. So as I said, O is always short and A is always long. Let's check out some examples for the Hungarian O and A sounds, and finally we will compare them in the same words. So please repeat after me. O mint olodár. Can you hear the long and short O sounds? And also at the end the A. O mint olodár. Or as it is normally pronounced, O mint olodár. Okay, once again. O mint olodár. Alma. 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 Anya. 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 Apa. 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 And here you are some examples for the A sound. A mint Ágnes. A mint Ágnes. A mint Ágnes. Ágy. 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 Ács. 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 Ház. 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 And now compare them in the same words. A and Á. A and Á. Okay. Páva. 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 Család. 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 Banán. 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 Bálna. 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 Málna. 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 Cápa. 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 Sárga. 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 Spárga. 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 Mályva. 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 Faház. 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 Garázs. 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 Japán babák. This is our last example. Japán babák. Japán babák. Thank you guys. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Sziasztok!